magandang morning guys. Today is October 7. Ayan, October 7. Hello. So you're cleaning the tree? Oh, you're cleaning? Oh, because I saw you. Because I saw you cleaning those trunk.
Oh,
Removing
yeah,
those trunk.
all the dead.
Yeah, you have to remove it.
Yeah, it's just to help the trees.
And then at the same time you're watering the tree.
Yeah.
And winter is coming soon.
Yes. Yeah,
So
we only
nice.
have one more week, and
Yeah.
then it gets shut off for the season because the pump can break.
Okay, yeah, that's true. Thank you. Ayan, guys, nakausap ko yung isang maintenance, park maintenance. Kaya lang hindi ko siya pwedeng kuhanan ng nakaharap. So dinidilig niya ang mga puno. Remember, ang lamig-lamig na ng panahon. Malamig. Dinidilig niya mga puno kasi winter time tulog ang mga yan. Para sa pag spring na babalik yan. So yun ang paliwanag niya. O di ba? So ang taxes namin dito na ibinabayad, deducted from our salary, the amount that we make, ay napapakinabangan talaga namin. Just like me, I used to walk here every time on my days off. Ayan, o di ba? Ayan. Sayang lang kanina kasi nakatalikod siya, hindi ko nakuhanan. Naisipan ko nung nakalagpas na ako. Babae pa siya ha. Okay. Kung nakita nyo, tinakpan niya yung mukha niya. So that means ayaw niyang kuhanan siya. So tara, yan. Maraming salamat for watching my short update. Yan, October 10 na ngayon. Oh no, October 7. Good morning. How old is he? 11 months.
No,
11 years old. Hello. Oh, are you nice?
so very.
Thank you. Have a good day. Meron kasi akong phobia sa dog. Oh, by the way, happy birthday to my son. Hi Kuya, happy birthday. October 7. And October 6 is my brother. Also celebrated his birthday in heaven. O di ba? Yan, lumagpas. Nangako ako na 3 minutes lang to. Okay. So maraming salamat. Shout out sa aking mga members and friends in YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po. God bless everyone. Yun. Para siyang cotton. Okay? Bye-bye. Like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, may dog na naman.
No, Mom. Sorry.
No, okay.